In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view financial statements on Tradingview. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a company's income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, and key ratios right from your chart, and how to adjust the time frames so the data matches your analysis. Start by opening your chart for the company you want to analyze. At the top of the toolbar, click the Indicators button. In the list that opens, look for Fundamentals and select it. From there, choose Income Statement. Tradingview offers a detailed financials view, but keep in mind that full access to the deeper breakdowns and more granular data requires a paid plan. If you are on a free plan, you'll still see the high-level items, which is often enough for quick checks. Within the Income Statement view, select Total Revenue. This is a great place to confirm a company's growth trend. You can switch the time frame to quarterly, annual, or TTM. TTM stands for trailing 12 months, which smooths out seasonality and shows the most recent 12 months of performance. If you want to spot seasonality or quarter-over-quarter changes, use quarterly. If you want a big picture snapshot, choose annual. Toggling between these can help you confirm whether a trend is consistent or just a short-term spike. Next, move to the balance sheet. Click the Balance Sheet option, then choose Total Assets. Just like before, you can set the view to quarterly or annual. Watching how assets change over time can give you context for growth and capital intensity. If a line looks flat or volatile, try switching the time frame to better understand the pattern. You can also explore cash flow or statistics, which covers common ratios. Cash flow helps you see how much real cash the business generates, while statistics provides quick financial ratios that are handy for comparisons. These are available in the same fundamentals area, so you don't have to leave your chart. For an easy shortcut right on the chart, right-click anywhere on the chart. Select Settings, go to the Events tab, and check Earnings. This adds a small E icon at each earnings date along your timeline. Hover over an E and you'll see an option to click More Company Financials. That link takes you straight to a fuller financials view, which is a quick way to dive deeper without hunting through menus. That's it. Thanks for watching.